Good morning. How are you all? Fine. Okay. Today we are again together to discuss lesson 12 of your language book, present continuous tense. Previously we have already finished lesson 11, that was simple present tense, and I hope you all have understood that. Now, children, present means present means something which is now, যেটা এখন হচ্ছে, and continuous means continuously which is going on, carrying on, যেটা কন্টিনিউয়াসলি হতে থাকছে, অ্যান্ড টেন্স মিন্স টাইম। এখন যেটা কন্টিনিউয়াসলি হচ্ছে সেটা হচ্ছে प्रेजेंट कंटिन्यूअस टेंस। अभी जो कंटिन्यूअसली हो रहा है, जो काम चल रहा है, दैट इज प्रेजेंट कंटिन्यूअस टेंस। ओके, नाउ लेट अस सी द एग्जांपल्स रिटन ओवर हियर। I am going to the library. He is eating a sandwich. The children are playing in the park. Ishita is painting a picture. The plumber is repairing the pipes. Now, have you noticed that in each and every verb, see, go, eat, then play, then paint, and repair. These all are verbs, and along with them, ing is added. ing is added. Can because to show the continuancy of the work, কাজের কন্টিনিউয়াস ফর্মটা বোঝানোর জন্য ভার্বের সঙ্গে আইএনজি ऐड করা হয়। काम के कंटिन्यूअस फॉर्मेशन को समझाने के लिए वर्ब के साथ आईएनजी को ऐड किया जाता है। समझ में आई मेरी बात? देखो यहाँ पर भी दिया हुआ है, अ वर्ब इन द प्रेजेंट कंटिन्यूअस टेंस टेल्स अस ऑफ एन एक्शन दैट इज कंटिन्यूइंग एट द मोमेंट ऑफ स्पीकिंग और राइटिंग। वो काम, जो काम अभी इस वक्त कंटिन्यूअसली हो रहा है, चल रहा है, उसको समझाने के लिए हम लोग प्रेजेंट कंटिन्यूअस टेंस यूज़ करते हैं। যে কাজটা হয়ে চলেছে, খানিকক্ষণ আগে শুরু হয়েছে বা এখন শুরু হয়েছে এবং কন্টিনিউয়াসলি হয়েই যাচ্ছে, সেটা হচ্ছে প্রেজেন্ট কন্টিনিউয়াস টেন্স। বোঝা গেল? নাও ইন দিস টেন্স we have to use ing along with any verb। যেমন গো যদি থাকে হয়ে যাবে গোয়িং, রিড যদি থাকে হয়ে যাবে রিডিং, স্লিপ যদি থাকে কী হবে? কারেক্ট, স্লিপিং। ওকে, সো ভার্বের সঙ্গে আইএনজি অ্যাড হয়ে যাবে, আন্ডারস্টুড? অ্যান্ড কন্টিনিউয়াস টেন্স মানেই verb plus ing. Continuous tense means verb along with ing. Without using ing, you will not be able to depict or prove continuity of any work. Is that clear? Now, when it is in singular form, then is used. is use হবে যখন সিঙ্গুলার ফর্মে থাকবে, and when it is in plural form, then I use হবে। and as because this is present, সুতরাং where use করার কোনো জায়গাই নেই। this will be are, and in singular it will be is। okay, and when it is written I, then we have to use am। okay, have you understood? Now let's go to the exercise. Now this much part, if there is any doubt, please give me any message or ping me in my personal WhatsApp number. I'll definitely make you all understand, or you can give comment also in the comment box. Now complete these sentences with the present continuous tense forms of the verbs in the brackets. ব্র্যাকেটে যে ভার্বগুলো দেওয়া রয়েছে এগুলোকে কন্টিনিউয়াস প্রেজেন্ট কন্টিনিউয়াস ফর্মে নিয়ে যেতে হবে, অ্যান্ড ইউ হ্যাভ টু ফিল আপ দ্য সেন্টেন্সেস। ওয়ান থিং ইউ মাস্ট কিপ ইন মাইন্ড, when in the sentence the matter is in the singular form, you have to use is, you have to use is, and when it is in plural form, you have to use are. Are I hole am. Clear? So, the tiger, yes, you see, the tiger is singular. There is no question of using are. That is why they have used is. The tiger is roar. Roar means the sound of the tiger. So it will be roaring in the jungle. Understand? We is singular or plural? Plural. So what will be over here? Is MR? Are. So we are trying. We are trying to find a shortcut to the market. Next, she singular. So there will be is. She is telling an interesting story. We are using am after I. So I am ironing. Ironing means when you are ironing. You iron your clothes with press. You press your clothes. I am ironing my school uniform. The teacher singular. So it will be is. The teacher is ing taking. The teacher is taking the students to the science exhibition. Richa and Karan. Two people are here. You can say, Miss, Richa is singular, Karan is singular. Yes, Richa. If it had written Richa, then you would have used is. If it had written Karan, you would have used is. But it is Richa and Karan. So Richa and Karan are helping their mother in the kitchen. The cattle singular. So the cattle is grazing in the fields. The policeman one singular. So the policeman is controlling the traffic. Rohit singular. So Rohit is sewing buttons on his shirt. The leaves plural. So the leaves are falling off the tree. Falling off. It's falling down. It's coming down. Understand you all? Now here, one sentence has already been done. You can see 10 sentences are here. What you have to do is, sentence is given in the present form. You have to add continuous form and be verb. is, am, are এগুলোকে be verb বলা হয়. Okay. So the plant singular হলে is, plural হলে are. You all know that. So this will be your homework. You will do it and send it to me by today. And this is your classwork. Do it in the book and send it to me. So this will be up till 10. It will be your homework. In my next session, we'll do question number C. So up till this will be your homework. I hope you all have understood. Okay, children. Thank you. Do the homework and send it to me. And if you have any doubt, please give in the message box. Write it down. I'll explain that once again. Okay. Take care. Bye-bye.